go now.
Police. Lisa is not here, police.
It's suddenly gone.
Where's
Lisa is
Sesame?
not here.
My
I think
God.
he's in the
Something
street.
inside me.
Ginger
It's almost
police.
evening na. No, where's Sesame? Oy.
No, I think he's in the CR. He's
CR?
hiding. No, bye-bye.
Bye.
Because the police is not calling me.
No, where's Sesame? He didn't say Sesame.
Yeah.
No, what happened? Oy, the stranger took Sesame. Where's Sesame?
I don't know.
Where is... No, I'm on Sesame.
I
Go
don't-
ask Tita Bea if where's Sesame.
Tita Bea, where's Luisa?
Yeah.
Tita Bea. I don't know. He's
Hello,
not talking to me.
nothing.
I don't know. I think
Kaya.
Tita
Where
Bea.
is Luisami?
Hala,
I
Where's
can't see
Luisami?
Luisami.
ante, did you saw Sesame, ante?
And you also did not
Uy.
see Luisami?
Whose mom is in the island?
No, Sesame.
Where's Luisa me? What? I touched something.
Did you? My
Who's
God,
that?
Luisami. Where is it?
Tita Bika,
I
I
can feel
touched.
there's an air.
Tita Bika,
Yes.
Air.
I touched something, Tita Bika.
Hala, what's
Is
that?
she gone? Luisami
Oh.
is gone?
I touched something, Tita Irene there.
Did you see
Tyron, did you see Sesame?
Luisami?
No.
Oh no, my God.
Maybe she went
Where
out.
is Sesame?
She go in a stranger. Where did she go?
Hala,
Kasi na big.
where's Sesame? Oy.
Look, someone is looking at me.
Oh
Hala,
my God,
what's
who is
that?
I
Maybe
think
it's a
it's
ghost.
Ma? Someone is like someone.
Ask Alpha.
Alpha?
No, where's Sesame? Uy, my God.
I didn't see. I didn't see her.
No, it's almost evening na. Kids are not allowed to go out, Raba.